Here at the wild edge, nothing asks permission. The clover sprawls, the foxglove leans towards light, roots threading deep without a plan or vision, each stem bravely reaching to the light. The grasses do not wait for the wind to guide them, they lean into it, silver, loose and free. And every wildflower carries something wider, the whole of May, an undone, open glee. There is a kind of growing without tending, no garden wall, no shape you're meant to hold, just sun and rain and endless sweet unending, permission to be bright, be strange, be bold. Bloom the way the hedge does, past the fences, spilling into verges, into cracks, alive to the wind and warm with all the senses, and never looking back. wild edges of May, and really it feels like we are in the very edge of spring here. I have been saying goodbye to the flowers. Every evening I'm out trimming, chopping everything back. The first year I had to do that, I hated it. I mean, it's quite physically hard trimming, but also just this feeling that, you know, I was destroying everything around me. I know, like, for example, in the UK, you have this, like, no-mow policy or idea, but here it's like the complete opposite, because it is such a very high fire risk area. You're actually required to cut everything back. So every evening I'm just cutting and cutting, and where the ground has been cut, it's drying up very quickly and becoming hard and crispy. So it really is the edges of spring. But this spring has been absolutely wonderful. The weather has been great. I mean, we've had rain as well, but as it is going to get so dry, I mean, that has been welcome. It has also been quite challenging here, well, for me, because my beautiful girl Coco, like throughout April, her eyesight has just gone. I noticed about 18 months ago that her eyes were changing, but throughout April, it's just, her sight just seems to have gone. I mean, she does have some awareness, but she will bump into things. She still gets if she gets excited by something like birds, she'll chase the birds. But the other night she went crashing like head first into the fence. She didn't hurt herself, and as yet she hasn't hurt herself, but it's just really, really sad to watch. So it's been quite an emotional time for me as well. But I have been making and doing a lot of work behind the scenes, and my journal packs are now ready. My Substack site is coming along. That's the next step I need to take. So it really feels like I've built something this spring, which is great because it's taken me a couple of years to really kind of find my creative way, and actually way more than a couple of years if I'm honest, which just is really great because I kind of feel like I'm on a bit more of a clearer path now. I've been wandering around in the wilderness, so to speak, for a couple of years creatively, and I'm kind of piecing things together, so that just feels really nice. But I've just got so much more I want to do. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and wherever you are in the world, take care.